friends, hi everyone, welcome to Solution World channel. Thasin here. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a website in our local host. So what does mean by local host? Local host is something actually a website which we are going to create only in our computer. So once actually we are done with all the editing process, then we can make it live in internet. So let's learn actually how to make a website in our local host, so that those students who are learning how to make website, they can do all the editing process and all that actually in local host, and then you can take it to live. So now I'm just going to click on download WordPress. If you just type download WordPress, so here you can see wordpress.org. so this is the website actually where we can download WordPress. So now I have clicked on download WordPress.org. So now let's see, this is the WordPress site. Now I'm going to click here download WordPress 5.5. so it has started downloading here, so let's wait for that. So friends, the WordPress 5.5 zip folder is actually downloaded. Now what we have to do is actually, if you just click on this, you will get only the coding, you won't understand what it is all about. So let's get open. So this is how it will look. So what you have to do is you have to just get into your download option. So here you can see in your computer, search for your download option, and then in the download list here you can see WordPress 5.5. so just I'm going to right click this, and 5.5 I'm just going to right click this, and actually I'm going to express zip, and then I will extract to WordPress 5.5 folder. If you directly get a option called extract, you can extract actually. So I'm just going to WordPress 5.5 folder, the same folder it will extract. So I'll click on extract. So friends, finally we got extracted file WordPress.5.5. just if you click on it, so here you can see WordPress inside a folder is there, and inside that many files are there. Just don't touch that, okay? So now usually what I will do is, so this is our WordPress 5.5. I will just right click this and copy this, and I will bring it to my desktop, because usually I don't like things inside it. So I will just have this here. If you want to have it there itself, it's fine, but usually I feel comfortable working with desktop, so I'll just here right click here and I'll paste it. Just I have copied. If you want to have it in your download section, it's fine, but I have copied to my desktop so that it will be easy for me to handle it. So here it is, you can see the WordPress is actually downloaded over here. So friends, here you can see WordPress 5.5, this is downloaded here. So now this is the file, let's be aside, and actually if you want to run this WordPress site, one more thing we want to download, that is called XAMPP. So here you can see XAMPP download for Apache, friends. So without Apache and PHP code, all that actually we cannot. MySQL and Apache is very important languages we want for our website to work in our local host. So here you can see Apache, PHP plus Perl, MariaDB. So this all combined to give this XAMPP. So you have to download this version. So whichever version you want, you can download from here. So here you can see XAMPP for Windows 7.4.9, and this is for Linux, and this is for OS. So I'll just click on Windows. So let's get downloaded. So it is getting downloaded. Here you can see. Important, it's a warning, just click on this OK. It's fine. Now all we have to do is click on next. Just click on next, don't touch anything here. Then it is asking the select a folder where you want it to be saved. Actually choose a folder to install. So all I will do is, I feel comfortable actually in desktop, so usually that is my habit to store in desktop. So I'll just select desktop here. So in desktop it will select folder where you want it to be. So here you can see this is my Z folder. So I'll select folder, I'll click on select folder. So it has selected in desktop, in Z file it will get saved in the folder. Okay, just I'll click on next here, I'll just click next here, and then I'll click next here. So now the installation process is happening, so let's wait for a few more minutes. Finally it has done installing, so I'll just click on finish here. So our XAMPP is actually installed in the Z and the WordPress is here. So let me just open the Z folder. Let me see what is there inside. So there are n number of files are here. So we are going to work only on 2 files actually. So don't worry, it's going to be very simple. Here you can see something called XAMPP control. Yes, this is XAMPP control panel actually. So this is called XAMPP control. So just I'm going to click on this XAMPP control. And I told you before actually Apache and MySQL we need to run a WordPress website. So once you click on XAMPP control, here you can see a start button. It has to be start. Whenever you switch off your computer, this will automatically get stopped. So every time whenever you get into your computer, all you have to do is make sure that this Apache and MySQL is on. So now the both will become green in color actually once it gets started. So here you can see the both are green in color, so now it is start. So I'll close this tab, nothing to do with it here. And here one more file I'll show you, something called htdocs. Every time whenever you create a website, you have to store your files here in htdocs. So for example, let me open this. Let me just close this. Now decide the name of your website. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this WordPress file. So okay, so I'll just right click this, I will copy this. Once I copy this, I will just try to have this in htdocs. Here you can see htdocs. So I'll just open this, and here in this htdocs folder I will just try to paste this here, and I will also rename that into some other file. So let me rename that into I want to make a e-commerce website, so I will just make it as WStore. Okay. And finally the folder, actually we copied that WordPress here and pasted here. So what I'm going to do is just right click here, and I will rename this as WStore. You can actually have your own website name. I have created here as WStore. So hope you all would have got it. I just click on enter. So I just copied the WordPress file and pasted in the htdocs. Where is the htdocs? htdocs is in XAMPP, so which I have created here as a Z file. Okay, Z folder. Store is actually here in htdocs of XAMPP folder. So every time whenever you want to create a website, all you have to do is right click here in the WordPress and and all you have to do is just copy this folder and paste it over here in the htdocs with the name of the, you have to get into htdocs and you have to name it actually the which you want it to be. So now WStore is our website name which we are going to create. Okay, so next the point comes to next, open your Chrome browser here, and I will just close all this. Now what I'm going to do is localhost, I'm going to type localhost /w store. I'm going to write localhost /w store. So I will just click on enter button. So let's see how it gets open. WordPress is ready for the installation. Here you can see the WordPress, just you have typed localhost /w store. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more tab here, and I'm going to type here localhost /php myadmin, my admin, admin. So I'll just click on this localhost php my admin. So what happens is, usually when we make live in the internet actually websites, so hosting is provided by the many hosting providers, but here in the localhost we have to create a new database where all our files and folders will be saved. So localhost /php my admin. So here you can see database, just click on database. So once you click on database, it will ask you the name of the database. All you have to just give database name. So let me just click W store. Okay, W store, because you can give any name actually, but I have given here W store so that it can be same for all the name, website and everything. So I have given W store and I'll click here create. So the database W store has been created. So now nothing to do here. So all we have to do is just close this, and then we are here now. WordPress, actually the place where we created by actually copy the WordPress folder, and actually we have created in HT docs. So localhost by / our website name, if you type, then this page will get open. I'm going to click now continue. So now it is going to, let's go, click on let's go. So it is asking you the database name. So we gave database name as W store. So just now we gave, and it is asking the username. Always in localhost we have to type our username as root, and the password should be blank. You should not write anything in password, and username should be root. So other things actually don't touch anything. Database host is a local host. Table prefix, let it be WP underscore. Just all you have to give the database name, username and password. Just click on submit. So I'll click on run the installation. So it is asking the site title. Actually you can give, I'll give W store as my site title. And then it is asking me what is the user. I have given site title the W store, username Thasin, and password I have given, and it is asking me to confirm the password. Confirm. It's a weak password, it is telling. It's fine, actually it is going to, we are going to make it in the local host, and it is asking email ID. Actually let me give any one email ID. So I have given my mail ID here, and I'm going to click on here install WordPress. Don't tick mark this. If you tick mark this, it will not come in the Google search. So make sure that you never touch all this. So just click on install WordPress. You can see it is asking me to save the password. I'll just save it here, and it is asking to log in. Yes, I'll click on login. It will take your password automatically. Here it will ask you your email, what is that called, your username, and at the same time your password. Just click on login. So now our dashboard is open. Hope you all are clear till the steps. Actually if you follow me step by step, definitely you will be clear about what I'm speaking here. So this is the WordPress dashboard. So in the next class we will learn how to work with this WordPress dashboard. So now so if you are not if you want to make a free website using free hosting and free domain, I have a link for you in the below description. Go learn and explore so that you can have your own website. And if you want to learn about plugins, is also there actually in the below description. So this is completely going to be a e-commerce website actually, where we are going to learn a lot many more things. So hope stay tuned, and I'll be back in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.